What's up guys? I am Ezekiel Kim and welcome back sa aking vlog. Today, may naisip akong idea na gagawin sa aking vlog. And this is actually one of the gustong-gusto ko talagang gawin to para maipakita sa inyo. Today, I'm going to do a makeup transformation sa aking cosplay. And ang napili kong ipapakita sa inyo today is si Kurama or si Dennis ng Ghost Fighter. And tara, samahan niyo ako and let's transform ourselves to Kurama. Hi! So, ayusin ko muna yung buhok ko kasi mas magandang mag-makeup ng naka-wig cap ka na para walang sagabal na buhok. So, ayun mo na gagawin ko. So, unang ginagawa ko syempre ay yan, suklay. Actually, papakita ko sa inyo, bababa ko lang tong mic. So, ayan na, naka-wig cap na ako and ayun, ayos ko lang yung gilid. Okay, so sa ganitong way na naka-wig na ako, mas madali na mag-makeup, mas madali nang ayusan yung sarili ko. And tara, sisimulan na natin to ngayon. Yan, so tara, simulan na natin. For this time, pag ako nagko-cosplay, dalawang foundation ang gamit ko. Yung I have to, parang it's kinda brighter in a way, or lighter pala, in a way, para makita yung ano. So para makita natin yung pinaka-result at saka yung, for me kasi mas maganda kasi na medyo makapal yung makeup kasi kapag nasa cosplay ka, siguro naman lahat ng cosplayer na nakakapanood nito ay nag-agree sa akin. Cosplay ka kasi, you need to use yung waterproof at saka na makeup para pag pinagpawisan ka, hindi siya agad matatanggal. So ganun siya. So, first, ito muna yung unang gagawin ko. You just need to make sure. Okay lang yun na makapal ang coverage niya kasi kailangan talaga. So, nakapag-shoot na ako tsaka nagamit ko na actually, natutuwa ako sa cosplay ko na Kurama kasi yung kabuuan ng cosplay ko, ako lang din ang gumawa. So, guys, may salamin ako dito kaya pagtitingin ako ha. So, huwag natin kalimutan ang ating leeg dahil ayaw natin mag-mess so namukha lang talaga natin mo. So, syempre, idamay na natin yung leeg. Okay, that's it. Ito yung first layer ko ng makeup. This is also actually waterproof. So, now, I'm going to use the second layer ng makeup, ng foundation. One. So this is kind of lighter na. Just wanna tell you guys na mas lighter na to. And for this one, ginagamit ko na yung kamay ko. For that one kasi, yung sa pinaka-una ko. I don't know, for some reason, ginagamitan ko siya ng brush. And for me, effective siya kasi feeling ko mas effective for me yung ginagamitan ko siya ng brush. Okay. And then, pili ko tong si Kurama na ipakita sa ito dahil I just wanted to kasi ito isa sa pinakamadali. Kasi like Novelette and other Jingwan, medyo mahirap siyang lagyan ng makeup or ipakita. Gusto kong maglagay ng ng facelift. Facelift yung pag dito just to make my eyes kinda singkit. Pero naubusan ako. So, next time, mapakita ko sa inyo yun. Para lang naman siyang tape na dinidikit pa ganun. Yun lang naman siya. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, now, the next one is medyo, ako kasi nalagyan ko siya ng contour. So, gagamit na ako ng ibang brush. Hindi pala muna, sorry. Kailangan ko pala muna ng concealer. Concealer pala muna tayo. Yan. Hindi pa siya pala. So, ginagalitan ko siya ng mas maliit na brush. Actually, itong brush na to, binigagamitin natin mamaya for powder itself. And then, that's it. Nakalap ko lang din yung Okay, so let's do this. Magkukulayan ko na. I mean, let's do the eyebrows. You know what's kinda funny here is this. Meron akong lumang dark, yung sa lip tint. And then, ang gusto ko dyan ay itong part na to. At actually, wala na siyang laman. So, hinugasan ko siya. Tapos, ito yung gusto ko dyan. Kasi man talaga ginagamit. Just to do my eyebrows. So, yeah, let's do this. See that? See the difference? Diba? So, hindi ko gagalawin tong part na to. Hindi ko na yan. Ang gusto ko lang kasi, pag nakita nyo siya, hanggang dito lang din kasi medyo yung ano niya, yung kanyang, see that? See that? Okay, now let's do the eyeliner. So yeah, let's do the eyeliner naman. Look at that. See? Parang it's like I'm drawing. See? Papawisan ako. Okay, let's do the second one. Wait now. Parang ako yun. Yes. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So medyo ano lang naman tayo. As is lang tayo sa pag halaki ng ano kasi medyo kinabahan ako dahil feeling ko hindi ko magawa. Now, to give a little twist naman sa makeup ni sa makeup transformation ni Kurama, I am doing some sort of a contour like highlights and other things sa aking my face. Now, what are those things na ginagawa ko? I am using a different brush. So, yeah, I am using a different brushes to put highlight dito sa part na to. And then, syempre dito. Tapos, give a little contour sa kanya. So, may muna tayo sa malaki. Yung natural contour lang. Kasi I don't want it to be super white, as in white. That's it. Actually, nakita ko lang talaga sa internet. Pinanood ko sa YouTube paano mag-contour to do makeup, and yeah, it works. That's it. Now I'm going to put a brown highlight dito sa nilagyan ko ng ano. Kasi at the same time, para mag-ano din, para medyo elegant din tignan. Tsaka elegant tignan si Kurama. Now, a lighter one sa cheekbone. You just see that lighter one naman sa cheekbone. Ito ginagawa ko sa cosplay just to make it kinda. So, pinapatungan ko din siya ng ano dito. Did you see that? Now let's do the sisipon ako. I'm going to put just yung line lang dito. Nose line ba tawag yan? Yeah, nose line. Guys, alam niyo ba na gumagawa ako ng TikTok transformation dahil gusto kong i-try yung beanie, tapos yung nagiging red hair. And yun yung gusto kong i-achieve ngayon, kaya after nito, nakapag-shoot na ako kanina ng normal lang. So nakapag-shoot na ako ng normal, yung normal yun lang that's it. Yep. See that. Now I'm going to put lip tint. Kinda hindi naman super red, pero hindi naman medyo red at saka super red, parang light red lang. Yung babagay lang sa lips ko. That's it. See that? See the difference? Diba? And now I'm going to wear the costume. So wait lang. Yeah. Guys, hindi ko muna ginamit yung pinaka-exact costume ng ano, Kurama dahil hindi pala siya planchado. Kaya ito muna. Yan. I'm doing this. So wait, So I was having trouble sa aking I'm having trouble sa aking wig dahil hindi pala siya nakaayos. Anyways, ayusin ko lang ito. I just wanted to show it to you guys kung paano siya ginagawa. So, more than this, I'm going to put ang kanyang ears. Wait lang. And then that's it, guys. Hep, wait lang. I just wanted to share this photo shoot wearing the full costume ni Kurama. It also has a tail, and at the same time, yung full white glam dress niya na ako ang gumawa. So, I'm so proud of this Kurama costume. Medyo magulo yung wig ko. However, yan. So, medyo magulo lang yung wig ko. Pero, yeah, this is Kurama, and yeah, finally I was able to show it to you guys kung paano ko siya ginagawa. And medyo actually mainit siya. So I'm going to do the TikTok transformation with the song of Bini Pantropico. So
sitting on the white sand, guess if I'm in love with you, cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. Sa islang pagtropiko, island sitting on the white sand, guess if I'm in love with you, cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy.
And then that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, this makeup transformation, this cosplay makeup transformation. And I hope na sana nagustuhan nyo to. And yeah, and I hope to do more like this and ibang character naman. And yeah, thank you so much po talaga sa panonood ng vlog ko. And I really do appreciate if you consider subscribing to me, and also follow me on my social media. Like this video. Yeah, so once again, guys, I am Ezekiel Kim, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!